All right, what we got here is the Ace Magician Mini PC, and this was sent to me so that I could check it out. We're gonna open this up and see how it looks inside real quick. We can go over some of the statistics and ports and everything. This has an AMD Ryzen 5 5600 CPU in it, and it's got 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs solid state drive. It's a mini PC form factor. So this is going to be really great for a few applications that I use. Personally, I look for in business settings, nice small PC that you can just kind of tuck underneath a counter, or maybe even mount it with VESA mounts on the back of a monitor. I do a lot of point of sale work for retail stores. So let's check this out. Just to round off the specs there, this is going to come with Windows 11 Pro in it, and it can support a 4K screen with up to 60 hertz, triple display it says. So let's check out the ports. The front here, you got your standard 3.5mm audio jack. You got two USB 3.0 ports. We know they're 3.0 because they're blue. You got a USB-C port, which a lot of the newer computers are coming with now. And what do we got here? It looks like the actual power supply, if I take this indicator correct, is USB-C power supply. So that's nice. It's going to be interchangeable with a lot of your different laptops. We actually have two different Ethernet ports here. That's interesting. I don't know if that's for failback Ethernet LAN, or you could have this hooked up to a LTE or a cellular hotspot or something like that for a failback. Now over here we've got HDMI for one monitor. We've also got DisplayPort, and then we've got two USBs. I'm just double checking here if that's all the ports. Looks like we got a pretty decent cooling system just from looking at how airy this can be. So there you have it. That is the Ace Magician Mini PC as far as the ports and form factor go. So nice little power button here, and there's the stickers for the Ryzen 5000 series, and it also has an AMD Radeon graphics card in there. This is going to be a little pretty powerful PC for everyday applications, business. I don't know if I would exactly call it a gaming computer, but definitely could get a lot of work done if you're throwing jobs at a computer that you're just like putting in your closet, or like I said, if you want to mount it back on the back side of a monitor and have it just be a easy out of the way workstation. Check out the Ace Magician here. I would highly recommend this.